In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add iPhone stickers to your iMessages. Stickers are a fun and personal way to enhance your messages, allowing for a more expressive and unique communication experience. Let's dive right into the process of creating custom iMessage stickers using photos right from your iPhone, and then I'll guide you on how to use them in your messages. First, we're going to create custom iMessage stickers. Begin by opening the Photos app on your iPhone. The Photos app is likely where you have many memorable pictures stored, and it's the ideal place to start when creating stickers. Now choose a photo with a clear subject. This could be anything: a person, your pet, or any object you wish to transform into a sticker. The clarity of the subject is crucial for the next step, so select a photo where the subject stands out distinctly from the background. Once you have your chosen photo ready, tap and hold on the subject within the photo. You'll notice that the subject will pop up, highlighted with a glowing outline. This visual cue indicates that your iPhone has recognized the subject you wish to use as a sticker. When you see this glowing outline, a pop-up menu will appear. This is where you'll see the option to add sticker. Go ahead and tap add sticker. What you've done here is successfully saved your chosen subject as a custom sticker in your sticker drawer, ready to be used in iMessages. Now that you've created your sticker, let's move on to using it in iMessages. Start by opening the Messages app, the primary platform for sending text on your iPhone. From here, tap into any conversation. It doesn't matter if it's an ongoing chat with a friend or a new message, just select a chat where you want to share your newly created sticker. Once you're in a conversation, look for the plus icon next to the text field you usually type in. Tap the plus icon and you'll see several options, one of which is stickers. Tap stickers to open your sticker drawer. Here's where you'll find all the delightful custom stickers you've created. Now you're free to use these custom stickers in your messages. To do this, simply drag and drop the sticker of your choice onto any message bubble within the conversation. By doing this, you can stick the sticker onto the message bubble, much like adding a fun and personal reaction. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to create and add iPhone stickers to your iMessages. Remember, stickers are a creative way to express yourself, so have fun experimenting with different photos and subjects. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy bringing a bit more personality to your messages with custom stickers.